Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now in front of me on the table, I've got Mopar's Jack Base accessory for the 2018 and newer JL Wrangler, as well as the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator. Now what makes this piece of orange block here very special is that honestly it will help utilize your factory jack to just simply set on top of it and be able to get access to a lifted vehicle. Now this might not seem like a lot, but this thing is thermoplastic and it is molded and honestly pretty heavy for the size. You can see that on this front side, this can be used as a wheel chalk if you're not using the jack platform, just to set in front of a tire if you need to work on in the front and you don't want it to roll. It also has the base extension in here where this actual base will sit from the included jack. And then even this little slotted hole is going to be for your wheel lock key if you have factory lug nuts. Now what I like about this is that it simply fits into the back storage area of a JL, or if you have a Gladiator, it'll fit right underneath the rear seat, so you'll always have it. It's a really neat little piece to have, and if you have lifted your vehicle, this is some extra assurance without buying something like an ARB jack or a larger, more expensive jack, to still be able to get it up in the air and replace a tire if you're out on the trail or on the highway and you do have a blowout. Now if you want to check out this jack as well as many other great parts for your Jeep, be sure to visit cjponyparts.com. We'll be using this one shortly here in a new video that we're going to show you exactly how to jack up your vehicle safely and all the different options you can use. But for now, if you guys want to order one of these, be sure to visit the website where you can get your very own.